So guys, we continue with our video of egg hunting and welcome back to season 3. But first I want to show you some Easter eggs that we made with my mom. As you can see, we have them right here. And we have some here. This one is my favorite one. Okay, so do you remember we need to open some toys? Yeah, so we're gonna open these 2 toys that came in the big egg, and I already opened the other egg, and there came only sweets, but now we get to open the main surprise, that is our little toys. So these are the 4 sweets I got. Anything else? Yeah. 4 sweets and 2 surprises. That makes 6 surprises in all. I'm gonna start with this one. So here we got a guide and we're gonna check on it. So these are little baby characters and there's hairs. So guys, this is all that you can get, and back here even more. So as you can see, there's common, that's the green, like this one. Rare, that is the yellow one, like this one. Ultra rare, that is. So guys, we saw the guide and now we're gonna open our little surprises. So there are 3 surprises in kind of one package that comes with like settings with little surprises that we have, and now we're gonna open them. Okay, so first we have our hair. So it's a pink hair with a blue band. Next surprise. Oh, that's so cute. It's a baby. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but it's definitely cute. So you can put the hair on the little animal. That looks kind of weird because animals don't really have hair. And let's see our... Oh, this one I definitely know what this is. It's a baby blue puppy. Let's try the hair on this one. So I guess the hair combines this one more because it has the blue band and the little puppy's blue. So I think we finished with this surprise, and this little house, you get to put the little things inside it and keep them there. So next we have our Squeezamals that I already tore the tape off. Now we're gonna open it. So these are baby Squeezamals that are supposed to be soft and they're scented. Just gonna tear the box open. This is definitely cute and big. Oh, it's a squishy. It's a soft, slow rising squishy. And we have, a guide. So we have Phoebe Pig, and it's a pig. Nico Norwell that I really want to get, it's this one right here. And Clover Catacorn, that is a cat and with a horn that it's a unicorn. And this is super squishy and I love it really much. So guys, I bet you enjoyed this seasons that we created, and I bet you see our next video, and please subscribe if you like the seasons. Bye.